Hello, guys. This is Abdul Abi, and I just got this my Insta360 X3 camera, and I'm super excited. Yay! So I was looking for this, and today I got it. Um, let's unbox it and see what we have inside. Oh, this is super cool. This looks nice. Yep. Let's open it. Come on. Okay, here you go. So this is the camera. Sorry, I'm using my one hand for the phone and the other is for to unboxing it. Anyway, that's nice. This is Insta360 X3 camera. This is for the battery. This is for charging, I believe. Yep, it is for the charging. Okay, let's turn it on. There you go. Da-da-da. Already put the SD card in it. So here you can have 360 photos. This is for the video, SCR, time-lapse, time shift, bullet time, loop recording, star lapse, burst, interval, HDR photos, and photos again. So let's go back to the main screen. When you just like a phone, you swipe down and then you have all the settings. So this is for the speaker. That's for the light indicator. So yeah, I want light indicator. This is for vibration. Vibration is off. I need the vibration. And that's for quick capture. Oh, I want it. Okay, what else? Brightness. That's you dim brightening or for the screen. Okay. That's for audio settings, direction focus, wind noise reduction, and the stereo. That's fine. Oh, that's for AirPods. If you want to connect with the AirPods, you can do that too. Perfect. Awesome. What else? This is for, I believe, Bluetooth remote, where you can start and stop recording with the button. Okay. Oops. Stabilization and staging effect. Okay. All right. That's a good feature too. Slide up to unlock. Settings. Camera info, USB, Android, Wi-Fi setting, auto, wake up, webcam zoom, voice control, English. Actually, you can do the voice control too. So what you can do is when you want to take a photo, just give a voice command, take a photo, and it's going to take a photo. And same like you want to start recording, that just say the start recording, it's going to start the recording, and then stop the recording, it's going to stop the recording. And also you can shut down the camera with the voice command. Awesome. So yeah, let's see. And this camera is actually connected with the Insta360 app with the Android and the smartphone, Apple. and you can control, like you can see whatever you record, record whatever you want to, like to edit the videos and stuff like that. So the video, start recording. You see that when I say start recording, it's starting recording. Perfect. Awesome. Hello, that's me. Okay, stop recording. Nice. I love this feature though. I love this feature. Here you can go here and switch to the, oh, there's switching to the other side. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you like my video. Please give me a like or subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. So I recommend this camera. This is a good camera if you like to go to outside for like adventure or travel. So I actually want it, so that's why I bought it. Just check it out. I did like homework before. I see the couple of options, but this one is a very good option with like 400 and something. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.